Today, I am reviewing the KAUGIC Upgraded Earwax Removal Irrigation Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever struggled with traditional ear cleaning methods like cotton swabs or manual cleaning tools, the KAUGIC Upgraded Earwax Removal device offers a much more modern, safer, and controlled approach to ear hygiene. This is not just a basic cleaning gadget. It's an electric ear irrigation system designed to make the process more effective, more comfortable, and significantly more hygienic. Right from the beginning, one of the most noticeable design improvements is the one-piece waste tank system. Unlike older models that separate clean and wastewater compartments, this device combines both into a seamless tank design. In real-world use, this makes a big difference. It simplifies the entire cleaning process because water is dispensed and collected in a single system. You don't have to constantly stop and empty separate containers or deal with complicated assembly. It feels more streamlined and user-friendly, especially for home use. When you first hold the device, it also feels compact and well-balanced. The semi-transparent body is actually quite practical because it allows you to visually monitor water levels and overall operation. It gives you a sense of control and awareness during use, which is important when dealing with something as sensitive as ear cleaning. One of the most important aspects of this device is safety, and KAUGIC has clearly put effort into that area. The built-in water temperature sensor system is a standout feature. It ensures that the water being used is within a safe temperature range before operation begins. The device uses a simple but effective color indicator system. When the water is too hot, a red light appears and the device prevents operation. When the water reaches the ideal temperature range, a green light indicates it is safe to proceed. This is especially important because using water that is too hot or too cold in the ear can cause discomfort or even dizziness. With this system in place, the guesswork is removed and you get a more consistent and safer experience every time. Another strong feature is the IPX7 waterproof rating, which means the device is fully protected against water immersion. In practical terms, this makes it very easy to clean after use. You can simply rinse it under running water without worrying about damaging the internal components. It also makes the device suitable for use in the bathroom or even during shower routines, which adds a layer of convenience. In terms of functionality, the KAUGIC Earwax Remover offers 4 different water pressure settings. This is an important feature because everyone's comfort level is different when it comes to ear irrigation. Some users may prefer a very gentle flow, especially when using the device for the first time, while others may require a stronger pressure setting for more effective cleaning. The ability to adjust intensity allows for a more personalized experience. You are not locked into a single pressure level, which means the device can adapt to different needs and sensitivities. This makes it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. Operation is fairly straightforward once you understand the basic setup. The instructions guide you to fill the tank, ensure the water temperature is within the safe range, typically around 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 102 degrees Fahrenheit, and then lock the system into place. Once the green light indicates readiness, you simply select your desired pressure level and begin the cleaning process. During use, the sensation is generally described as a steady, controlled flow of water that gently loosens and flushes out earwax. It is not a painful process when used correctly, but it may feel unusual at first if you've never used an irrigation device before. Most users tend to adjust quickly after a couple of sessions. One of the key advantages of this system is how effectively it cleans compared to traditional methods. Cotton swabs often push wax deeper into the ear canal, which can actually worsen blockages over time. This device, on the other hand, uses a flushing method that helps naturally remove buildup without pushing debris further inside. That makes it a safer long-term option for ear hygiene. Another practical benefit is that it is FSA and HSA eligible, which means in some regions it can be purchased using health savings accounts. This adds to its appeal as a legitimate wellness and personal care device rather than just a consumer gadget. In terms of maintenance, the design also makes cleaning relatively easy. Because of the integrated tank system and waterproof construction, you don't have to worry about complicated disassembly. A simple rinse and occasional wipe down is usually enough to keep it in good condition. Overall, the The KAUGIC upgraded earwax removal device stands out because it focuses on three main things: safety, simplicity, and effectiveness. The temperature control system ensures you are always operating within safe limits. The adjustable pressure settings give you control over comfort. And the integrated tank design makes the entire process more convenient than older, more complicated irrigation kits. It is especially useful for people who regularly deal with earwax buildup, wear earbuds frequently, or simply want a safer alternative to traditional cleaning methods. In the end, this device is about bringing clinical-style ear cleaning into a simple home-use format. Once you get used to it, it becomes a quick and routine part of personal hygiene that feels both effective and reassuring.